Got this online, Western Digital, 14TB, link in the description. Check it out, see what you think. I got a good deal. As soon as I saw it, I got it. I got a price trigger, so I use Honey, and that helps me and let me know when there's a price drop, and I picked it up and I noticed the price drop. Link in the description for that, so you get Honey and save money. Western Digital, unbox it. Let's see what's inside. Pull from there. Since I do a lot of videos, I needed some external hard drive storage, and I looked at the reviews and I saw this one was really good. It said that it didn't doesn't make that much noise, very limited vibration, which is good because I have a previous one that's 8TB. It's not Western Digital, it's a different one, and it vibrates a lot. I could even feel it on my desk, which is unfortunate. And yeah, it comes with a power adapter. Here's data transfer cable, USB. It's reasonable length. Hopefully it's longer, but yeah, that's what it offers. Longer is always better, you know, the cable. Here's the hard drive itself, very well protected. It's wrapped, prevent scratches. Yeah, nice size, lightweight. Only one color. Now let's look at the back. Here we see the ports. First port we see is the power, so your DCN goes inside. Is your data port. Connects to your computer. Underneath, more vents. Great to keep it cool. And your pads, raise it up, so ventilation. More vents, which is great. Keeping it cool while it's running. Now let's peel it off. Nice smooth finish. Yeah, it's good. Now let's take out the wrapping for the power. Good size length for the power cable. The longer is always better, so you know where to place it. And the cable for the data isn't very long. Should be. Hopefully it would have been better if it was longer, but it's okay. You just keep it close to your computer, and that's what comes in the box, as well as your manual. Always when you get your hard drive, don't forget to format it. Link in the description if you don't know how to format your hard drive. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.